Hello, Mr. Aldo. Very good. How are you today? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you hungry? How are you today? I am happy today. Are you too? Repeat with me. I am happy today. Once again, I am happy today. Very good. So, now let's sing the Hello song.
Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today?
I am fine. I am great. I am fine. I'm just great. I am fine. I am great. I'm very well today.
Great!
Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today?
I am hungry, I am tired, I am hungry and I am tired. I am hungry, I am tired, I'm not so good today.
Oh, well, I hope you feel better soon.
Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
hello,
Hello.
how are you? I'm very well today.
What's the day today? Today's Wednesday, the 9th of September 2020. Okay? Can you repeat? So let's go. Today's Wednesday, the 9th of September 2020. Very good.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Days of the week, days of the week. 7 days are in a week. I can sing the 7 days now. I can sing by myself. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Go, go, go! Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Days of the week, days of the week. 7 days are in a week. I can sing the 7 days. Now I can sing 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The 7 days, hooray!
How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it sunny today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it rainy today? Let's look outside. How weather? Is it cloudy today? Let's look outside. Is it snowy today? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today?
Is it windy today? No. Is it cloudy today? No. Is it rainy today? No. Is it sunny today? Yes, it's sunny today. So let's sing for Mr. Sun.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind that tree. These little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind that tree. These little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, thanks for shining down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, everything is fine now. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, thanks for shining down now. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, everything is fine now. Oh, Mr. Sun.
Okay guys, today we'll study about the farm animals. Okay, the animals who live in a farm. And here in this box, I have some animals who live in a farm. Okay, so I open the box. Now let's take them off, and you're gonna tell me if you know this animal. Okay. What's coming out of the box? Oh, do you know this animal? What's this animal? This is a cow. Can you repeat with me? This is a cow. Very good. So, let's go for the next one. What is this animal? Do you know this animal? This is a sheep. Okay? Can you repeat with me? Say, this is a sheep. Very good. So, let's go for the next one. What's this animal? This is a horse. Can you repeat? Say, this is a horse. Very good. Now, what else is inside the box? Let's see. Aha. What's this animal? This is a pig. Can you repeat? This is a pig. Once again, this is a pig. Very good. The next one. What else is inside the box? Aha! Do you know this animal? This is a duck. Can you repeat with me? Say, this is a duck. Once again, this is a duck. Very good. The next one. What else is inside? Okay, do you know this animal? This is a chicken. Can you repeat with me? Say, this is a chicken. Once again, this is a chicken. Very good. And we also have some other animals. What's this? This is a goat. Can you repeat with me? This is a goat. Okay. The next one and the last one. Okay. Now there's nothing else. What's this? Do you know this animal? This is a dog. Can you repeat with me? Say, this is a dog. Once again, this is a dog. Very good. So, let's see again this animal, okay? Dog, dog. This is a dog. Okay. This is a goat. Very good. This is a chicken. Okay. This is a duck. This is a duck. Okay. This is a pig. Very good. This is a horse. Okay. This is a sheep. Okay. And this is a cow. Very good. Okay, guys. Now it's time to say goodbye. But first, let's sing the goodbye song.
Oh yeah, kids, it's time to say goodbye.
Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye. Goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone.
Goodbye!
Okay guys, I see you on the next video. Remember to stay home, wash your hands, wear your mask, and stay safe, okay? Goodbye.